Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Chill apples and insert skewers so they stay steady. Heat 1 cup maple syrup with 2 tablespoon butter and 1/2 tsp cinnamon in a medium saucepan. Once the syrup simmers, clip a candy thermometer and maintain 240 degrees 245 degrees F for tacky coating. This ensures the maple sets to a glossy shell. Stir gently to avoid burning, and while it warms, line a tray with parchment. So once your syrup hits target temperature, lift an apple and dip it fully, rotating steadily so the maple wraps without air gaps. Make sure to let excess drip off for 2 to 3 seconds before placing the apple on the parchment, otherwise you'll get puddles that thin the shell. If you want texture, sprinkle chopped nuts or a pinch of sea salt right after dipping so they adhere. Cool apples undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes so the coating firms into a crisp, shiny shell. You finish by letting apples firm fully, then store upright in a cool place and serve within 24 hours for optimal crunch. If the maple cooled too fast and looks grainy, gently reheat to melting temperature and skim off any crystals. Make sure to warm slowly to avoid scorching. If the coating sagged or pooled, reheat the syrup to about 200 degrees F, redip quickly, and set again. One key tip: if sugar crystallizes on the pot sides, wipe with a damp pastry brush to prevent recrystallization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.